Okay, so welcome back to our next session, and this is Dr. Swapna. So we were discussing about MS Word, features of MS Word, and we had completed all features in home screen, and we were into insert. We learned even how to insert the table, and now let me show you how you can even make your table beautifully. Okay, so here you can just select the table. You just select whatever is needed, and so you can make it colorful by filling color. Here let me select okay, let me select the colors. Okay, since it is white, you're not able to view. Okay, so yeah, I like this. I like light and sober colors. So mehendi green, and here also you can fill, or else you can, I'll just take just fill the last one. Yeah, just take on this, you will get the border line also. So now you know how to border in the border. Now you know how to fill the colors, and see, yes, you can type as well. You can insert numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are not needed. You can just keep this table. So next so I'm just entering some random names, and okay, just like that. So let us enter marks for 10, which is 9, 8, 7, something like that. So here you can give the tables, and this is how you design a table, and this is one of the very important aspects or format in MS Word. Yeah, just give me hold on a second. So next, let us look into how we can insert even pictures. So I'll just take out one of the slide and just delete it. So you just do cut. Okay, so picture, insert picture. So we can choose from our pictures, or it can be camera rolls, or it can be any saved pictures, or any 3D objects, and any pictures. I'll just take one. Okay, pictures. Pictures. So just take one picture. See, the picture has been installed. Or you can take a picture from from Google. So that is an online picture. Just opens to a window wherein you can surf through the online. Right? Just click. Okay, thank you picture. Just click, so you get so many thank you picture. I just take this one because I just don't want to waste time inserting. So yeah, it's inserted. Okay, yes, of course you can adjust the picture according to the size required. See, just hold, see, you can, when you click on the picture, you can see these buttons. So this will help you to drag or enlarge or zoom or adjust accordingly. You can place it anywhere, wherever you want. Okay, so moving upon to the next feature. See, there are so many very beautiful features in this. You can insert shape. Okay, so there are so many shapes available here. Okay, insert shape. See, so many shapes available. Okay, not only these, you can even add shapes from Google as well. Okay, so many shapes available. Just pick one. Okay. Draw it here. Let's see. Next, insert shape. Like that, you can design. See, it's there. Same way, you can adjust the shape. You can color it. You can fill colors. Where is it? Fill color. Where is the fill icon? You can fill colors in this. You can change the. I'll just show you. Yeah, you can wrap. You can insert text in this. You can many things. You can insert text in this. You You can edit them. You need to just select and do whatever customization you want. So moving upon to the next one, that is the smart art. I really like this smart art. See, these are the things which make your documentation very beautifully presented. See, here you can select any of these. This is the cluster format, or many times you'll have to show your hierarchy of your organizational hierarchy. See, here you can show the organization hierarchy. Just insert and you can just text it saying with vice chairman. Okay, then moving upon to the next text, you can just text it as say the director, or you can just text it as okay, then the managers. It can be finance manager or sales manager, and sales manager, then the HR manager. Okay, so you can make this still beautifully. I'll just tell you how. You can just select the designs and colors here. See, you can just change them accordingly. You can just make it very colorful and so here change colors. So you just make it more colorful and more designed and just okay, these are the shapes. Okay, so these are some of the features that you can insert. Okay, and these are the basic features that you can take a screenshot of whatever you are being doing now. To take a screenshot, you want something to purchase, you go for stores, you want some add-ons in Wikipedia, that online video. See, all these things are possible here only. And very important thing which you will be again using is the header and footer and the numbering. So here we will, if we go for numberings, here you can just decide where your numbering has to be, whether you need it on top of the page. See, again the numbers will appear like this, or whether you need to have bottom of the page. Can you see this? So let me select this numbering. Okay, so here I have numbering. So where you have this numbering, since I've said bottom of the page, this is called footer and this is called the header. Okay, so this footer, it appears in all the pages by default. See here, if you double click even in the bottom of the page also, this footer text appears. Here I can text anything. Okay, let me just text okay, and I'll assign this to the right side corner. See, title and this header and footer will be depicted in all the pages. See, let me go to the first page. See, it's here. See, it's here. Okay, let me go to the previous page. See, it's here. Yeah, see, page 2, page 3, everywhere it is there. If you want just double click, you can just take it back. Okay, if you want header, okay, header, I'll just put anyway, since it's here, I'll just copy and paste. I'll just take it. Introduction to MS Word. Okay, now I've just entered in the first page. Okay, let us see whether it appears in the next page. See, it's there. Okay, so this is the beauty of header and footer. So when you are designing a document, you are representing a company, say Cisco or Intel, you just enter in one of the header or the footer. It appears in all the consecutive pages. Okay. Then the next aspect is header and footer is done. So page number is done. yeah, you want to do a comments on any of these documents or any of the line, you just click on the comment and a separate window or Dropbox will open. You can just see here I've selected this line, generation of computer. You wanted to comment anything, comment, and you mail them. Okay, this line has to be changed. Please replace the generation into such and such a sentence. See? Okay. And you can immediately mail your it can be customers or your subordinates or your this one. Okay, next one is text box. See here what will happen in this picture where I had inserted this thanks. Okay, in this picture we cannot type anything. Let me just take this out. Okay, I don't think this is needed right now, so I'll just delete this picture. Okay, it's got merged with that. Okay. So okay, so now here what's happening now, I cannot type anything. See, I'm just trying, I cannot type inside the on top of that picture whatever I have inserted. Okay, so instead what I can do, I can select this insert text box. Okay, and wherever I want a sample simple text box, I can just a text box. Okay, so a text box will be inserted text box. This is very useful when you're doing PPTs or presentations and all. So small, see here, a small text box. This one you can do even on picture. Now you can grab this wherever is needed. Yeah, something else. I would have typed something else. We just change the formatting style. Okay. So redo, I don't want that. Okay, so that is of insert text box. Then okay, then the word art. Yeah, so I'll just take it to the word art. Here, see whatever word you want. So okay, just a second. It's got okay, so insert word art. Okay, so what kind of, here there are so many combinations. This is not the only thing. Here, see, you can select, there are so many. Let me take one of these. Yeah, double. Okay, I like this one. So there, let me insert all is well. See, do you see that? We have this double quoting. Okay, or else I can just take, let me take one more. If you just enter it, you go automatically go to the next page. So again, insert word art, beautiful word art will come here. Let me take this one. Okay, so insert your text. Have a great day. Okay, this is of so much of okay, so here you can even try to wrap the text like how you want, and so many options. You'll have to just do your this one, some sort of just move it. Okay, move it, swing it, slide a little bit. Okay. Okay, so you can, yes, you can create your brochures, you can create your birthday cards, greeting cards, you can create your calendars, very beautifully you can design using all these. So that's it with these are some of the very important date, time, and signature lines. All these you can just set it. You will have to do your experimenting. Then designing, yes, so this just tells you the theme of the, you know, the document, whatever you're doing. So it gives you different designs and texture. So how, what is the kind of heading you want. So each, these are all default designs, so this gives a very different which title in the center. So this one will change accordingly to the, okay. Then going on to the layouts, yes, so this margins, here you'll have to, you have to enter the margins required. Mostly it is that, yeah, here also you can adjust by dragging this. If you want a particular you can customize it, so custom margin. So here when you click on the customize margin, you can give left side it is like 1.5 inch, and the right side, top, bottom, and all 1 inch. It is taking some time to open. Otherwise, if you just click on custom margin, a window will open. Okay. Okay. So then then the size, then the columns, then the breakups, then line numbers that you want. If you want line numbers, it will give you for each and every line. If you start numbering, see when you are submitting articles and all, especially for emeralds and all, emeralds also take the line numbers. Without the line numbers, you can't submit. So all these you'll have to just assign. And here orientation, very important. See, when you want the, see, whatever you are seeing now by default it is in portrait. When you want landscape, just select landscape. Okay, see now the Word document is in landscape. Can you just observe? See, it's in landscape. I'll show you the difference between the portrait. Okay, see now it is in portrait. Okay, very simple. It's if you are in A4 size form, whether it's horizontal or vertical. So this is how you can design your layer. So referencing, and this is one of the very important sources. This is used for your mostly research work, and when you're doing projects and all, last you will use for bibliography and all. Again, this one I'll be discussing in our next session. Then mailing, this is mail merge and all. So when you're doing this mail merge and all, or mail merging and all, this is helpful for you to, you are sending some documents to probably some hundreds and thousands. See, this is the document which you have to send for hundreds or thousands. So when you start here mail merging, whether you have to send a letter or email, or whether envelopes and all. So when you are doing this select email, here in one shot you'll have to just send all these just enter all the emails or the envelopes, wherein at one shot individually it will address, and it will send to all the respondents you have listed. So even letter also, so it converts it as in letter format. You'll have to just enter the address, and it will address each one individually. Okay, you have to just select the recipient and you'll have to send it. Again, I'll have to enter all these, then review, then view. Okay, see, again, view is one more very important toolbar, wherein you'll find very good features like that, as I told you, like ruler option is available. Then so this is the option wherein it helps you what is the way or what is the format in which you would like to view the document. So do you want this page or the document to be in this format, or you want one page in one or multiple page in one? See, just like this, how it is divided, or the page with which you will have to define it, or you don't want, okay, let me just keep it as one page and zoom. Okay, here we have the short form or the shortcut for zoom. Otherwise, it is here in view and new window, then the grid lines if you need to here. Okay, this is the graphs. I know you were using this graph sheet, so grid lines are nothing but the graph sheets. It's very easy for you to draw some figures or flow charts and so on in this. Then the outline if you want. Then what layout you want? Do you need a web layout? Okay, which covers the complete desktop or the page layout. So all these for Word, it would be convenient for us to have it in page layout. And so whether you want a new window and whether you want to split the page, and if you want to split the window, like what is the from which page to which page, so you can split. And even the PDF files also you can split using I Love PDF, some apps and all. Yeah, there are many apps. Okay, so like this, all these are you can record and pause macro. Okay, so in these macros, you can view macros, you can record them, and so these are some of the features of Word 2016. And yes, and the main thing, okay, you have done all the changes, fine. And how do you save it? So here, if you just click on save, yes, it will automatically be saved. So you click on save button. So since you have already saved it in on desktop, the changes will be saved. Only thing, if you need, you will have to save it in a different document or different file. See, by default this will be saved as .doc format. So if you want to save it in a different folder, here you have to go to save as, then click on the whatever folder you want it in downloads, you want it in. These are some of the subjects, these are some of the folders I have created. So I'll just click on my project document, and let us see if it's been saved there. Okay, so my project. Okay, so MS Word, save. So let me see. It has been saved over there. So I have saved it in this Swapna document. Let us see if this MS Word is here. Okay, yeah. See, MS Word. It is saved in this. Okay, so these are some of the very beautiful features and very useful for creating documents, reports, records, then projects, dissertations, theses. So the MS Word is one of the most commonly used properties for creating any of the reports, documents, and all. So this is for the day, and have a great day, and thank you for watching my video about introduction or basics of MS Word 2016. As I told you, again, it depends upon their different word, because 2003 has a very different format and different menu bars with different, but however, most of them are, the features are very common. Only thing, the way it has been displayed in 2003 and 2016, it is different. Otherwise, all these features are there even in 2003 as well. Okay. So thank you again. See you in our next session. Please keep waiting.